Little girl, where are you going to? I'm asking you. Are you looking for something or somebody? You're deaf and dumb. How must it be this big black beauty? That's your name. Ijele. That's a beautiful name.
I swear God, lying on the road. I don't know if he is dead or alive.
Lying exactly where?
Father, on the road leading to the shrine.
It's alright. Guards, go and check out what Uloma is talking about.
Yes, Your Highness.
Bring back the guard to the palace immediately.
Yes, Your Highness.
Uloma, the gods of Umuntu will surely punish you. How could you lie to your father?
What do you mean?
Your father sent a palace guard on a mission. You killed him and then lied to your father. How could you be so wicked and devious? The next time you try this, I will kill you and bury you. The gods will be on this.
Do you know the reason why you are here?
Okay, I don't know.
Listen to me. Listen good. Leave Atuko. For me, Atuko belongs to Prince Abalanze, Prince Umutuko Kingdom. You know what? I wanted to kill you. I would have removed your life. But I will not. Because Prince Abalanze is a very soft man.
Thank you, my
Abalanze is a very nice man. I'll kill you and I'll kill your sister and no one should ask about you. Listen to me and listen good. I will leave you on one condition. One condition. You know what? When you live here, go back to your kingdom, Amonta. Pick whatever belongs to you and detach from that kingdom. I see you anywhere close to your kingdom. I'll make your community unbearable for you. Gus! Read this. Down!
And what are you doing in my palace?
Your days are numbered, Hulama.
Did you just say something to me? Did you just talk to the princess of a Muntu kingdom?
Your time is ticking.
What? Mother! 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 Who is that little girl? And what is she doing in our palace? Mother! Mother! Where is the little girl? Where is she?
She has been here for 2 days.
And why must she be saucy?
Saucy? How?
She just insulted me, mother.
How? She doesn't speak. She's deaf and dumb.
What? She just talked to me, mother. She talked to me. She insulted me. The princess of Umuntu Kingdom.
You mean Ijele? Ijele, did you talk to my princess? I told you. She can't talk.
No!
What are you doing here?
You have allowed your feeling for the devil to ruin your life.
You've not answered my question. I asked, what are you doing here?
Mother sent me to complete what you cannot complete.
And what is that?
Kill Uloma.
Kill Uloma? You think it is easy to kill Uloma? She has overpowered great medicine men.
I have given you another opportunity to do what is necessary for your people.
Is that why you infiltrated the palace? If she finds out who you really are, you are gone.
Till then, just do your job. Greetings, Queen Mother.
Greetings, my daughter.
Queen Mother, I am scared for the first time. The little girl in my house is so powerful. I can feel it, Queen Mother. And I'm sure it's just a matter of time before we openly clash. And my identity will be revealed. Please, my queen, do something. Do something, please, I beg you.
That is why you have to hurry up and kill the queen before that happens. But for that little girl, the coven will decide on what to do to her.
But Queen Mother, who is this little girl?
Yes, Queen Mother.
It's time for us to visit the little girl and teach her a very big lesson. you! Show yourself!
Enough! It's enough! Omutu kingdom must be free! Omutu kingdom belongs to me!
You lie! Omutu kingdom belongs to me. They are my subjects.
No! It belongs to me!
Queen Mother, save!
What is it? What is the meaning of this, Udo? What are you doing with my daughter?
My king, Mama, your daughter has something to say.
Yes, my king. She has a confession to make.
Ijele, so you can talk?
Yes, my king. I can speak.
Ijele, you?
Mama, what is the confession?
I'm sorry, Father. That's about life. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My lovely sister. I am sorry. I'm really sorry. I am responsible for all that happens in Omuntu Kingdom. All the calamity that has befallen this community that am I making. Yes. Father. I'm a victim of my mother's arrogance and rude behavior when she was a maiden. She insulted the river goddess who cursed her with my birth to destroy her kingdom and kill her. Yes. But I couldn't kill her. My spirit becomes weak whenever I try to kill her. I am sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my son. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Ijele, my friend, thank you for the mission well accomplished. I will never forget you. I promise to never let you down. May the gods bless you and your family And bless you too. Call on me any day, anytime. And I promise to be there.
Thank you very much. I'm happy to meet you.
I'll leave now. Back home.
Sister, you're back?
Yes, DK. Umutu Kingdom is now in good condition. The evil child is dead.
But you killed her?
No. It's the will of the gods. So tell me, did you cook anything? I'm hungry.
Of course I did.